no new friends. Chi-Town, you a youngin' 16 and under, you are going to this building. The Audi home, homie. Chi-Town, West Side.
Still here on my day one, niggas so hear me say
FBI building right there. FBI building right there. Audi home is like right here.
still ride with my day one, niggas I don't really need no new friends.
If y'all out, oh, that's all the courthouses and stuff. Look how big that is for the kids, y'all. In all the other states. And here go Lulu's if you're hungry. Hell yeah. That's the best Italian beef, you know what I'm saying? Hot dog. And now we get into the medical center part. So it's crazy. You get shot or shoot somebody, you come to the medical center, and you take your ass either to the juvenile or to the county. It's all money. It's all about money. You see how close these buildings are to each other? It's all money. It's all the man. The World Bank. Watch it, young guys. Hustle, hustle, smarter, B. I'm telling you, I see how all these buildings connected.